Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to dress up the seats in your BMW M2, M3, or M4? I'll show you how. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this project a little bit and the reason why you might want to do this yourself. Now, if you have one of the new M2s, M3s, or M4s, you either have the sport seat or the carbon fiber buckets. Now, I don't fit well in the carbon fiber buckets. No matter how much I love those seats, they just aren't going to work for me. Now, I love the sport seats. They're really, really good, and they're as good as they've ever been. But if you want to dress them up a little bit, Kies Motorsports is a great way to go. They have carbon fiber accents for your seats. Now, hopefully you saw my other video with the seat backs that I've added that carbon fiber overlay. Now we're gonna do it for the sides of each seat. This is a very quick install. It's gonna take longer to explain than it actually is to do. Okay, so let's jump in, let's take a look at the car. All right, so as you can see with this overlay shell that's gonna go over the top here, we're gonna fit this outer finger kind of over the inside and slide it down. So one of the very first things you wanna do is make sure to wipe this all down if it's dirty or has any stains or anything that's gonna prevent the 3M adhesive from sticking down really well, okay? But I'm gonna peel all of the backing off all of the adhesive. I'll do that really quickly, and then I'm just gonna show you. We're just gonna slide this right into place and press it on. It really is that simple, okay? So go ahead and get the backing off, and then we're gonna get it pressed into place. All right, so once you have all the backing pulled off, and don't forget the piece that's on the inside of that flap right here, okay? So once you get it all peeled off, now what you're gonna wanna do, and this isn't hard, but you just kinda wanna guide it into place, and you're gonna wanna get it on without allowing the 3M adhesive to catch early, right? Because it'll start to stick down early. Because if not, you can just slide it in just like that. Really is that simple, guys. Now, once you get this into place, make sure you get all of the edges, right? Get all of the edges to stick down really, really well. I really like that this is gonna match my carbon fiber door cells, but you know, that's just me. But just work your way around, get all of these edges, make sure that it sticks down thoroughly, because 3M, once it's down, it's definitely gonna hold this into place. Like I said, this is enough 3M to basically hold probably a 10-pound piece on, let alone something that weighs maybe an ounce. So go ahead and just get that stuck into place. I'm not gonna show the other side because it's gonna be the exact same process, but it really is that simple. So go ahead and just get this side done, get the other side done, and good job. All right, as you guys can tell, this is a super simple project, but can make a huge visual difference in your car. So thank you to Kies Motorsports for making such a fantastic product. I love having their parts in my car. You should check them out too. Don't forget, everything you need to be listed in the video description below. While you're there, please make sure to click like and subscribe. It would make a huge difference to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. That way you get notifications for upcoming videos, model reviews, events, DIYs, you name it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next project.